Welcome to Crypto Boss. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all bosses. That is the agenda of this channel, guys, to make all your crypto bosses and leave that slavery 9 to 5 and become your own boss. Cryptocurrency has changed my life, and I'm here to give value back to you guys so you can change your life. So if that sounds good for you guys, hit that subscribe, turn that notification, like this video. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so let's talk about how we can make money in a bear market. You must think, crypto boss, you're going crazy? How can we make money in this bear market? Everybody's losing money. All right, there's always trends in the market. Guys, crypto is deep. There's a lot of psychology to crypto, and it taps into a lot of our human desires, needs, wants. And a big part of that is community. We all want to be part of a community. That's one thing. And greed, greed and gambling. So there's always little sub-sectors in crypto. There's always something going on. Oh, there's some goblin NFT. It was a free mint, guys. It went up to, don't quote me on this, but maybe 40 Solanas, something crazy like that. I'm sure it was in Solana or ETH. Anyway, it did some crazy numbers. A free mint. I think it went to like 10K US dollars. I just don't quote me on that. I just seen that yesterday. So there's always ways to make money. You want to find the trends, the current narrative. Now you're asking, Crypto Boss, what's the current narrative now? Solana Summer. Buy into everybody's greed. Everybody's talking about Solana Summer. So knuckle down, super focus on the Solana ecosystem. Look at all the NFT projects that's blowing up. See why? Triple N's, last one that blew up. Next one, goats, great goats. They've got like over 300,000 followers on Twitter. Everyone's talking about them. You want to get in the pre-sale. This is what you need to do. Give value. So jump into the Discord. Great goats. Google them. Jump into the Discord. Give value. Grind your way to get that whitelist, guys, and then sell that. Sell it. Don't get emotional attached to the JPEGs. Rule number 1, don't get emotionally attached to it. All right. So you want to get, not financial advice. We don't do financial advice here, guys. So yeah, my opinion is, what I'm gonna do is just get into the whitelist of these projects, and I'm gonna sell them. And I'm going to buy into everyone's greed, because on this channel, guys, we are going to be the elites. We're the bosses. We are going to quit our 9 to 5. Well, I quit my 9 to 5 a long time ago. Crypto saved my life. We'll come into that in another video. But this is what I want you guys to do. I've done it. I've made money. I'm cool. Want to make more money? Why not? Dubai ain't cheap. My life ain't cheap. So I'm in there, in the gutters with you guys. So this is what I'm saying. I'm with you. I'm getting in them projects, and I'm dumping those those JPEGs, because that's what everyone's doing. Everyone's just gambling. You know, it's a zero-sum game, and some NFTs. Don't get it twisted, guys. I believe in NFTs, in maybe a couple of more sectors, a couple of more use cases along. Right now, I'm not fully hyped on this profile pictures. Some will go well, a lot won't, right? So you want to get in there, make your money, and dip. All right, so spot and identify trends. All right, moving on. So now this is not so much making money fast, but guys, you don't just think of fast money. Think of long money. Think of the long game. It's amazing we're in the bear market, guys. This is the time to build. This is the time to create a service, create a product, create something to be of value into this ecosystem. My biggest wins have been getting into pre-sales or getting into projects early. Cryo Wars, I did 150x on Cryo Wars. How you make that? Because I had value. I've got a crypto marketing agency, and not a lot of people talk about this on these YouTube channels. Guys, just remember, I'm here for the people. I'm telling you all the secrets. I'm airing out everybody. I'm not going to mention names on the air people out, just because I'm in Dubai and people live here as well. And I'm a nice guy. I don't want to just air people out, their names. You know, I believe a lot of people are doing the wrong thing right now. They blew up, made their money off you guys, off their affiliate links, off their projects and dumping on you, whatever. But I will tell you the play, what's going on. I just won't mention the names. Anyway, guys, so you want to create value in this bear market. So when the bull market comes, you're doing the 150x's. Yeah? So you may ask, okay, easy said and done. How? Start doing content. As they say, content is key. You know, attention is the new currency, guys. Remember that. Remember that. Very important. Attention is the new currency. If you build attention on any social media platform, you have eyes looking at you. There's companies that will pay for you to promote their projects on your platform. Then you want to find the good ones. You want to get in there early and be a angel investor. Invest in the seed round, the pre-sale before it goes into the market, guys. So this can be Twitter. Open yourself a Twitter. Open yourself Instagram page. Do YouTube, TikTok, blogs. There's so many opportunities, guys. This saying, to teach somebody something, you just have to be one chapter ahead, guys. Even if you're watching this video here, and I hope my tribe is guys that are just coming to crypto. Even guys that are into crypto for a long time, that's fine. But I'm targeting people that are quite new to crypto, just because I know I've got so much value for y'all. And there's gonna be so much videos for everyone else, because I'm gonna do news. I'm gonna do a setup, talk about daily news, so everyone needs to know that. But these ones when I'm coming on just talking freely to you guys, these are for the newbies, right? So guys, create value. So important. I made 7 figures in cryptocurrency from creating value for these projects, and you could do the same. It's not hard. It's not rocket science. As I said, just be a chapter ahead of everyone else. So if you're new to crypto, start now. Start researching, and in 6 months' time, you can even document it. Start documenting it now. Build your following. Your vibe attracts your tribe. So continue to, document your process, and in a few months' time, you're going to be a few months ahead of a lot of other people. All right, guys. So there are my couple of my strategies to make money in this bear market. Which one you're going to choose? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Which one are you going to choose, guys? There's so many opportunities in there, and if you ever need help, just hit in the comments. I'm here for you guys. I've seen so much. Do you know what inspired me to do these videos, guys? Do you know what inspired me to do this YouTube channel? This is a new YouTube channel. I've got a marketing agent that makes 6 figures a month. I don't really need to be here. I'm here because I'm so sick and tired of these YouTubers. A lot of these YouTubers watching, they're past it, meaning they have no value for you guys. They've made their money, they're on their yachts, and I just want to show you Bybit links. It's cringing. It's not right. They're not giving no value. I'm not doing no sponsored content on this show for a long time, and if I do, it's got to be value for you guys, yeah. But I would definitely want to just jump on a video and just sell, sell, sell. This is what these guys are doing. And I ain't doing no sponsors video for a long, long time. If I do, I will tell you, and it will only benefit you guys. I.e., if I get in the project early, I'll share some love with you guys. But that being said, I'm out. Subscribe if you want to hear more from the crypto boss, and if you want me to make all your guys bosses, because we can do it. Let's get ready in this bear market for that bull run, guys, because it's coming. Peace out.